Hello eloquent speakers and welcome back to E-Club. Your sanctuary for language and expression. I'm Mrs. Reena, thrilled to have you join us for another episode dedicated to transforming your everyday phrases into something a little more refined and captivating. In our last episode, we delved into some common phrases and their sophisticated alternatives. Due to an incredible response, we are back with more. Ready to elevate your conversational skills? Let's get started. Let's start with greetings. Instead of the casual, "What's up?" try, "How's your day unfolding?" It shows genuine interest in the person's day and encourages a more thoughtful response. Feeling unstimulated? Instead of saying "I'm bored," express it as "I'm in search of some excitement." It not only sounds more engaging, but also opens up the conversation for suggestions on fun activities. When someone shares an idea or explanation, instead of the standard "that makes sense," opt for "I see your point, very insightful." It acknowledges understanding and appreciates the thought process. When it's time to eat, rather than saying "I'm hungry," you could say "I'm feeling quite peckish." It's a more charming way to express that it's time for a snack or meal. Let someone know you are en route. Instead of "I'm on my way," try "I'm currently navigating towards you." It adds a touch of adventure to your journey. Need something repeated? Instead of "Can you repeat that?" ask, "Would you mind elaborating on that?" It sounds more polite and shows deeper interest in understanding fully. Expressing a dislike? Rather than "I don't like it," consider saying "it's not quite to my taste." It softens the blow and opens up a space for discussing preferences. And finally, when parting ways, instead of a simple goodbye, bid farewell with "until we meet again." It leaves a promise of future encounters and sounds more heartfelt. Now, I challenge you, dear viewers, to integrate these phrases into your daily conversations. Notice the difference it makes in your interactions and share your experiences with us in the comments below. Which phrase are you most excited to use? Enhancing our everyday language is a delightful journey towards becoming more articulate and engaging communicators. Thank you for joining me today on E-Club. If you have enjoyed this linguistic exploration, be sure to subscribe for more content designed to enrich your communication skills. Before you go, remember to like, share and subscribe. Your support means the world to us here at E-Club. Follow us on our social media channels for more tips, challenges and community stories. Until our next adventure, keep refining your eloquence and spreading positivity through your words.